Hey guys, I want to share with you a tool that I created to help make keyword research a lot faster for you guys. So how we normally do keyword research is that we use a software such as Keyword Inspector or Merchant Words, and we get a long list of keywords, and then we go through that list and try and find the ones that we want to keep and the ones that we don't want to keep. Then we take the ones that we want to keep and we put them into our PPC campaigns. So the product that I'm going to use as an example today is this ping pong paddle set. So what I did was I just put in the SKU into Keyword Inspector and I got a list of keywords that listing ranks for. So here is the list of keywords, and let me show you how this tool works. So normally we get a list of keywords, and this keywords list is about 1,000, it's 1,000 keywords long. And I'm going to paste it into the keyword list section of the spreadsheet. So here's a long list of keywords, and what we normally would have to do is we would have to go through this list one by one and just kind of filter out a bunch of keywords that we don't want, But a faster way of doing this is with this spreadsheet that I'm going to give you guys. So what you do is you come up with a list of keywords that you want to search for in this list. So there's no real way to kind of paste in a list and then just search for all of those keywords in that list. So what I'm going to do is, so these are the list of keywords that I do want to keep in this list. I kind of skimmed through it and just kind of looked at using what I know about ping pong paddles, the list. So what it's going to do is it's going to search for any and it's going to search in every single row for any of these phrases. And if it has this phrase, then it's going to mark it as good. Right. And then for words that it doesn't find, then it's just going to stay empty, which is false in this case. And then what we also want to do is kind of have a list of keywords that I don't want. So for example, I don't want any keyword phrases that has the word table in it because they're probably searching for a ping pong table, not a ping pong paddle. I skimmed through the list and I saw a lot of clothes keywords. So I'm going to take out anything with the word clothes. Portable, paddle ball is a whole different sport. I don't want that. Paddle tennis, I don't want that. Anything with the word ball, balls, belt, decoration, I don't want that either. And it's important to know that how this formula works, and it's a pretty complicated formula. I can show you here. It's got all this in it. But basically what it does is for the bad keyword list, for this second column, it's only going to search for anything that is not marked good. So if it's marked bad, that means that it contains the word table, but it doesn't contain any of the words in this list. So this side of it is only going to search for keywords that are not marked good. So this way it can help you filter it down and you can refine your list using this tool over and over again. So what happens with that list of 1,000 keywords is that there's only 540 remaining that are good, 300 that are bad that we don't want. And if we look through this keyword list, for example, it has words like one player ping pong table. I definitely don't want to rank for that. I don't want to pay for anyone who's searching for a 4-pack of ping pong balls, accessory, junior size ping pong table, kids, all the way down. Like I don't want any of this stuff, which is good, which would probably take a long time to do it. This is the good list. So let's take a look at it. So 1 ping pong paddle, 1-star ping pong paddles. So it's searched for anything that has the word ping pong paddle in it or ping pong paddles plural. You have to do plurals. And the list looks pretty good. Blue table, tennis racket. There's going to be a few bad ones that sneak in, like cheap paddles isn't the best one, but it's fine. Family table tennis set, which is good. Paddle set, search the bottom. Ping pong paddle with case, ping pong paddles used, ping pong paddle with balls. This is all good. And you notice that the word ping pong paddle with balls is still in here, even though I put balls as a bad keyword. That's because it has the word ping pong paddles in it, and it prioritizes this list first. And this is the neutral list. So this list has neither of these keywords in it. So this one has 143. So typically you might have to go through this one and just kind of look through it and see what words you want to keep. Or what you can do is kind of just refine it more and more and more and just keep adding keywords into this good or bad list until you get the list that you want. So yeah, this tool should hopefully help a little bit. You can use it for anything else. Just basically, if you ever want to search through a long list with another list, this tool will help you do that. So I'm going to leave a link for the spreadsheet in the bio and just make a copy of it. Just go to File, make a copy, and then you can basically use it on your own. And let me know if you have any questions. All right, thanks, guys.